Alright, I'm gonna try and unload this. I think it's 40 feet. Maybe it's only 35-foot conveyor with the log loader. What could possibly go wrong? And it's 5:15. It's gonna be dark here in about, I don't know, hour and a half. So let's get this untied and get going. halfway off. I think all now I'm going to do is pull up over here, back up to it, lift it up, chain it to the trailer and drag it out. We could have used that. Where's a bigger picker trailer? Should have used that, but that means I have to get it running. We'll make another video on that one. Yeah, I got some hoses here. The box is pretty rotten, so it just fell apart. So now I just got a mess of hoses. Oh yeah, it's got a flat tire too. That's fine. I'll pick up all these hoses. I'll get up front of it, lift her up, chain it to the picker trailer, and drag her off the rest of the way. Hopefully you guys stay there. I think I might hook the chain too long. By itself. There we go. Come on. Oh, it's gonna fall off the trailer. It's too late, it's falling off. Oh, just rolling over. If we leave it just like that, it should. Hopefully my phone stays there. That worked out really good. Here, let me get back here. Yeah, that worked really good. At least it's off the trailer now. I think I might just drag it over and park it out of the way somewhere. I don't know what trailer I want to take home. I don't know if I want my picker trailer at home or if I want my gooseneck at home. But the main thing is gooseneck's empty now. But we'll see if we can park this thing and I'll bring you back. All right, good enough for now until I have something better to move this thing around. I wish I had a hitch on it, but it doesn't. Just pull it with the truck, but oh well, gotta do what you gotta do. Oh yeah, there's my skidder. That needs a motor. I need that in the worst way right now. I brought it from the straight over there. Kind of tried to back it up like a set of B-trains. I had a sloppy joint. But all right, let's. I don't know what I'm going to do now. Gotta figure out which trailer I want to take home. All right, decided to leave this trailer here because I'm gonna go get a load of wood tomorrow, and this is on the way. I forgot to put the PTO in, so we'll do that. Push the clutch in and pull out on that. This one's really quiet, like really quiet. It almost scares me how quiet it is, because I'm going to forget to unhook a line and I'm going to blow the pump up again. This is how I unhook it. So unless you have a farm tractor or a truck with the PTO on it like mine, you can't steal it. There we go. I think that's off. Oh, a little bit more. There we go. Oh, so easy this time. Just the pin. Something's leaking. Probably that quick coupler. I hate quick couplers. They're gonna get changed one day. Yeah, I know, I probably won't do it. Turn the PTO off. Just push the clutch in, shut her off. Then now with this quiet pump, I always pull a lever. That was just pressure backing off. Just to make sure. And where's my gloves? Oh yeah, I put them up here. Oh, they're probably all full of grease. Yep, they're full of grease. Phone's going to be full of grease. Everything's going to be full of grease now. Oh well. Come on, glove. Get on there. Okay. Put these off. Oh, they're full of mud. Oh, I'm going to put you down for a minute. Okay, there we go. She's good. This is my other yard, by the way. I got a few yards. But we're planning on... We sold the house we live in now. So everything I've got over there has to come over here. So that's why I'm doing all this stuff, moving stuff. Oh yeah, and my park brake switch decided it didn't want to work anymore. Didn't want to make contact. I got another one on order, so hopefully that comes in soon, so I don't have to listen to this dinging sound all the time. We'll hook onto this trailer and get out of here. It's actually 6 o'clock. Usually it gets dark about 6:30 now. I don't know if I can do this. This is going to be a tough one. Don't have to drive ahead. Don't catch them straps. We'll go. Oh, I gotta flip that hitch. Hold the pin on this hitch so it grabs when you hit it. There. Now it'll grab when you hit the pin. Go to reverse. Okay. Go on there. Oh yeah. There, see? I don't know if you guys seen that or not. It locked. I'm give it a little tug. There we go. It's good. And of course I ripped my wiring out of the trailer. It ripped that wire fell down. I didn't notice it fall down. I ran it over and it ripped that fender off. How the heck does that happen? Oh, this is hard doing one-handed. Until the weight comes off. There we go. Okay, well, I'm gonna hook up to this, clean up all my chains and straps, then we'll get going. All right, we're out of here. Got her hooked up. You see? Oh yeah. Hopefully it's hooked up. We'll know when it could hear a big crash. Yeah, another thing with that thing for that brake. Where am I going here? To the ditch on the other side, I guess. Oh yeah, there it is. All right, yeah, with that park brake switch, it derates this thing. See how sluggish that is? Really annoying. Maybe I'm just used to driving my Dodge where you can shift every 10 seconds. Not like this thing. Yeah, it's a 6-liter. But yeah, firewood is back up and going. Got a few orders coming in, but I only got 2 weeks to do it. Plan is start moving stuff out to BC end of the month, I think. But there's more papers that have to be signed, so whether that happens. What is it? That's a D-rated truck. There we go. Just have to grab another gear. But anyways, I don't know if when I'll put this video out. It's like October 18th or something like that.